ChatGPT has taken the world by storm and is quickly becoming the most advanced AI out there. And it got me thinking, can you really use this brand new bot to make money online? I'm sure there are many ways to use ChatGPT AI to generate income from home, and I will prove it to you right now. There is a website that pays you $7,500 a month to answer a question. Now, one of the questions on this platform pays $10 to answer. So I just copy it and put it on ChatGPT. I'm going to give you an answer right away that I can get back to the website and make money. But this tool is really powerful, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online using ChatGPT, which does not require specialized skills and investment. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Studypool.com website. This is a website that pays you thousands of dollars to answer homework questions on various topics. You just need to sign up as a tutor and you will get $20 or $40. Mostly as you answer questions posted by people on this blog. This usually created a big problem because to be able to answer the questions correctly, you need to have a lot of students on these topics to be able to make money, but not when you have a problem. Instantly powerful tools like ChatGPT. For example, there is a question about religion that pays about $20 here. I earned $20. I could have easily posted this answer to, and I could have made it $20 instantly without having to do anything. This is how this platform works, especially when you have websites like this. Now we have translation. One of the amazing specialization ChatGPT is doing is being able to translate the brain from one language to another. Translation of text from one language to another real language of a site like grow.com. You can earn up to $50 an hour for interpreting gigs, and some gigs even pay a lot more than that. As I looked up interpreting on the courses, you can see there are some gigs out there that are thousands of dollars. They only pay you to help you use the original material, like it only pays less than $200.50 for gigs. It tells you to translate text to text really simple. Imagine if you get these gigs, all you have to do is just copy the exact form of what the client sends you into ChatGPT and tell it to translate it into the language of the project you're taking, and you will receive the declared amount within a few seconds. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.